Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound, and today is winner day. So today somebody's going to win this amazing FITCAM X DashCam. So what I did is, instead of using the little spinny thing, I'm going to talk to my best friend, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to select the winner of this DashCam. And then I will reach out to you and I will get you the correct place to send your email to, and then they will ship it directly from there to you. It generally takes about 2 weeks for you to get it. So just so you know, you won't receive it from me directly, you will receive it from FITCAM X. So I've already established the parameters. You had to like, you had to comment, you had to subscribe, and we got a bunch of new subscribers, so thank you very much for that. So now I went in, I checked to see if you liked, and you did, and then also to see if you commented, which you did. For those who liked, commented, and subscribed, the winner is going to be announced momentarily. So what I did right here is, please use these YouTube comments and select a random winner for the FITCAM X DashCam. So I entered in a bunch of people, and on our way we go. So we're going to select a random winner right now. The random winner, fair random drawing among all valid entries, is at SRIDUNGARH1937. Congratulations, you've been the winner of the FITCAM X DashCam giveaway. So I'm really excited about this. Hey guys, I'm really excited about for Shri to win this amazing DashCam. Now I'm going to have a few other videos coming up pretty soon about what we're going to give away. One is going to be an ISUDAR, ISUDAR, actually install kit, so you can bring CarPlay to your car wirelessly. ISUDAR is a great product. They're exceptional sponsor of the channel, so I'm really looking forward to that. So thank you for participating. Please keep in touch. Let your friends know about it, because we are going to be giving away a lot more stuff. Lots of stuff. So looking forward to that. Nonetheless, I really want to say thank you guys very much for watching. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, remember, it's about the drive.